everybody, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful sunny day and I am doing a bit of marching band practice tonight, and so I need to have a face that I can do outside in some heat. Not super hot, but warm weather. We're going to be probably sweating. Anyway, I just thought I would do a little get ready with me as usual. So hit that subscribe button and let's just jump right into this. Okay, take two. I don't know what happened. I got cut off here. Well, I don't know how much you've seen, if I even have an intro or not. I am doing a get ready with me, and I'm using the Photo Focus Stick Foundation in Classic Beige this time since I'm tan. And I was talking about my band trip. I don't know what happened. It just cut off. Maybe I'm running out of room on my phone. Anyway, okay, you didn't really miss much. It was just telling stories of my band trip to Spokane. Lilac Festival Torchlight Parade, which I have news coverage and all. I mean, it's really fun. It's fun to be involved in this. I'm going to use my Volante concealer. Just a little bit will do. It's very thick and high coverage. Just use this little tiny blender. Okay, this is take 3. I don't know what's going on. All right, I just put on my Volante concealer. I'm just going to jump into it. Try to go faster here. I don't know when I'm going to get cut off. A little bit of the Brighten Up powder, the white one from Essence. Just put a little bit on the corner of my eyes. Try not to over powder it all under my eyes. And then I actually use this as a primer and it works super well. Plus it smooths out and kind of gets rid of discoloration on my lids. It's a very smoothing powder. It definitely takes care of pores. I'll hit the side of my nose with that because it brightens up as well. And I like to have it brighter in certain areas. So I'm just kind of touching that around. Anyway, this is weird. I don't know what's going on. I had to delete a bunch of stuff. I had so much on my phone. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, I'm using my Algenist color correcting powder. Just for something fast, grab a big brush. Okay, this is my last attempt. If this doesn't work, that means there's something wrong with my phone. So I'm putting on the Algenist color correcting powder. It's a weird day apparently. Really getting in here because as you can see, not only mattifies, but blurs those darn pores. And then I'm gonna set it pretty good. And I didn't want to be overly powdered, but when I put on the setting spray, it should definitely look a little less powdered. But I do like this. You see how that just blurred everything out and matted it out. It's awesome. All right, I'm doing the old bronzer. This is the butter bronzer, of course, in, let's see, Sun-Kissed. So it's everybody's fave, I'm sure. I'm just going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe. I love this as a bronzer brush. And I am going to sculpt, but then I'm also going to bring it in and do more, so. Really want to get that hairline there. And I'm going to do a little bit on the jaw and kind of sharpen that up a little bit. I'm kind of pinching it just to make it a little more precise there. Down the sides of my neck. I am losing weight, so hopefully I won't have to do that much longer, but it's cutting off again. I think it might be overheating. Anyway, I'm just going to I'll tell you guys when I get to my goal. Doing a different weight loss thing. I was doing keto. It worked for a while, then I stopped working or whatever. So I switched it up and I am losing again. But I'll keep you all informed on that in a different video when I finally get down there. All right, e.l.f. Precise Brow. Throw that on there. I'm going to have to go fast because this keeps cutting off on me. Oh my gosh. Getting kicked off again. Okay, this is Wet n Wild Gel Liner in the color Red the Scene. And this is Liquid Cat Suit Gloss in the color Bad Girls Club. So we're going to go for a red lip today, but hopefully it's kind of a flattering red lip today. I've been asked to wear darker colors from a certain person, not my husband. So let's see if we can do this. I'm going to throw this on. This is that gel liner, which I really like. Bad Girls Club Gloss from Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. Ah. These are high pigmented, like liquid lipsticks, but glossy. Wow. I like it, color. I am not normally a red girl, but ooh, with the blue, patriotic. All right, well, thanks, guys. I know this was quick because it kept cutting off. Anyway, I just wanted to be back on with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Basically, it was just about this. And maybe the foundation. I don't know if you got any eyeshadow tutorial in there at all. I did nothing special, just used the nudes from LA Colors. I'll see you guys next time. Love you all.